Joint on a corner where the big boys play.
Did you find anything you like?
All right, gentlemen.
Hey.
What would you like?
Oh, let's see. I'm gonna have the veggie burger, please. Medium well, some fries, and a diet soda. Whatever you got back there. Sorry.
Okay, it's a cola.
I'm, excuse me, I'm checking out your menu and I'm trying to find anything on here that's vegan.
Okay, our corn fritters are actually gluten-free. They're very good.
I'm looking for something vegan.
Let's see. Oh, the queso dip is non-GMO. Delicious.
Very useful information, but I'm looking for something vegan.
The chips that come with that are non-GMO, at least I think. Do you want me to check?
No, that's okay. I'm looking for something vegan.
Let's see. Do you eat cheese? We've got a wonderful cheese. It's local. It's organic. Do vegans eat cheese if it's local?
No. Is there anything at all in this restaurant that's vegan?
You. I'll give you another second with the menu. I'll be back.